everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make this 3D face mask. Measure and cut your fabric 19 cm by 26 cm. Place your fabric right sides together, then fold it in half, and then fold it again. Measure 3.5 cm from the corners. Draw a line and then we will cut it. Fold in half to mark the middle. We are going to draw two curves, and to do that, we are going to measure 1 cm on both sides and then draw the curve. Then sew the top and the bottom. From the opening, turn the fabric right side out. Iron the fabric, and then we are going to top stitch the top and the bottom of the face mask. Then we are going to fold the top and the bottom and then sew it. Fold the corners like this. It's going to look like a big letter N. Then make a small fold on the side and then fold it again. This will be the casing for our elastics. Repeat this step on the other side and then sew it. Cut 2 elastics, measure 23 centimeters, or you can adjust it to your size, and then insert it to the casing on the sides. Meet the two ends and tie a knot, and then you can hide it inside the casing. And now our face mask is done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped. And for more DIYs, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!